Hi folks, my name's Drwg and I'm all things code for semester 2 plumbing. Today we're talking about the relationship between the fitting allowance and the centerline radius of a fitting. Specifically we're talking about code 72431 where a short 90 is not permitted. This video will show you how to draw the long radius 90. It is for your drawing number 1. Scale of 16, which is essentially 1-to-1 scale. I'm going to start just by simply drawing a crosshairs to work with to form the center of my circle. It'll take you a little bit to figure out where to put all this stuff, but I've got it sort of pre-planned. For this drawing I'm using a long radius 90 which has a fitting allowance, and remember fitting allowance and radius are very similar, of 1 3/4 inches, 16 scale, so 1 3/4. So I guess my crosshairs could have been a little taller. And I'm going to put my 90 here in this corner. So I've got my 1 3/4. My pipe size is 1.5 inches. So I'm going to want to go 3/4 on one side, and then another 3/4 brings me to my 1.5 inch pipe size. So I'll do my center line radius first. My back radius second. And my inside radius last. So there's the body of my fitting. For the most part, the socket on a fitting is about half as deep as the fitting is wide, so 1.5 inches width. So I'm going to go for a 3/4 inch deep, and I'm going to make my shoulders on my fittings about between 1/8 and 3/16 wide. Remember, this is a centerline drawing, so they're not super accurate, but they do a great job of representing the concept. And then 3/4 inch deep there. So now I can draw my socket. And remember to use your initial lines wisely, so that they can be erased easily. And then once you know where you're going, you're more than welcome to embolden all your lines. So for me, because it makes better for going into a scanner, I would suggest you use a marker. To embolden all your lines. I can't quite see what I'm doing there, but I know I'm close. Because once you've got that all done with marker, it makes it really easy to erase your initial lines, the excess. So that's it. That's your long radius 90. I'll take a moment to clean that all up. And then when we come back, I'll show you how to do the short 90. But that's essentially your long radius elbow right there. Hope you enjoyed.